limit x tends to infinity, limit x tends to infinity, x square plus x plus 3 by x square minus x plus 2 whole power x, whole power x. This is also in the form of a 1 power infinity, 1 power infinity. Same apply, same formula. G of x into f of x minus 1 e power limit x tends to infinity g of x, x square plus x plus 3 x square minus x plus 2 minus 1 g of x into f of x minus 1. Take LCM, e power x tends to infinity x into x square minus x plus 2 LCM, x square plus x plus 3 minus x square plus x minus 2 x square cancel, e power limit x tends to infinity x plus x equal to 2x, 2x into x, 2x square x plus x, 2x, 2x into x, x square, 3 minus 2 equal 1, 1 into x equal to x by x square minus x plus 2. See, degree of the numerator 2, degree of the denominator is also equal to 2. Given limit is infinity. So check the degrees of the both numerator and denominator. So they are equal. They are equal. So apply a0 by b0 formula. E power 2 by 1. E power a0 value 2. b0 value 1. 2 by 1. That equal to e square. That equal to e square another bit, limit x tends to infinity x plus h by x minus h whole power x equal to 4. Then find the value of h. Value of h. This is also 1 power infinity. So apply same formula. E power limit x tends to infinity g of x f of x minus 1 g of x into f of x minus 1 is given 4. Take LCM, limit x tends to infinity x into x minus h LCM x plus h minus x plus h equal to 4 plus x minus x cancel, h plus h 2h 2h into x e power limit x tends to infinity 2hx by x minus h equal to 4. So given limit is infinity. So degree of the numerator 1, degree of the denominator is also equal to 1. So answer is e power 2h by 1. E power 2h by 1 equal to 4. We want h value. So take log on both sides. Take log on both sides. Log e power 2h equal to log 4 2h log e equal to log 2 square. Log e value always 1. Log e value always 1. So 2h equal to 2 log 2. 2 log 2. 2 to cancel. 2 to cancel. H equal to 2. H value 2. One power infinity g of x into f of x minus 1. Take LCM minus x plus h plus x minus x cancel. H plus h 2h 2hx. Degree of the numerator 1, degree of the denominator 1. So e power 2h answer equal to 4. So take log on both sides. Log e power 2h equal log 4. ఈ 2h ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిందమ్మా 2h log e. Log e values always 1. 4 is nothing but 2 square. 2 log 2. H cancel. Sorry, 2 cancel. So h value is log 2. H value is log 2. Next. Limit x tends to 0 1 plus ax whole power b by x equal to e power 4. Then find values of a and b. Then find values of a and b. A and b. Given options are a value 4, b value 2, a value 8, b value 4, a value 16, b value 8, a value 4, b value 1. A value 4, b value 1. B value 1.